Constable Klinzy Baraza has pleaded not guilty to the murder of face mask vendor Boniface Kariuki Mwangi during the June 25th protest in Nairobi. Appearing before High Court Judge 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐭𝐥𝐞𝐢𝑠𝐡, Baraza's defense team argued for his release on bond, citing constitutional rights and the prosecution's failure to present compelling reasons for his continued detention. However, the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Law Society of Kenya, and the victim's lawyer opposed the bond request, citing public interest concerns. Justice Kimondo directed the defense to file a formal bond application and gave the opposing parties 7 days to respond.
The accused is wearing the same mask.
The mask vendor was selling.
Yenye tu Boni alikuwa anauza. Why was he hiding his face? The previous judge didn't hide his face. He was there. And he even told us, na akaambia kwa huyo mtu, if you are sick, say it. If you are not sick, then remove the mask. We didn't see the face that we know. We just saw the eyes of somebody saying that he's not guilty.
Governors from Central Region Economic Bloc have expressed concern over the rising cancer cases in the Mount Kenya region, calling for urgent action to improve early screening and diagnosis. Led by Nyeri Governor Mutahi Kahiga, the leaders noted that almost every family in the region has lost someone to cancer. They are now pushing for stronger healthcare partnership to make cancer screening more affordable and accessible. The governors also plan to launch county-level awareness campaigns in collaboration with health institutions to promote early detection and save lives through timely intervention. On the same breath, Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi has announced major reforms in cancer care, aiming to position Kenya as a regional hub for cancer treatment. Speaking at the second National Cancer Summit in Nairobi, Mudavadi unveiled Kenya's first national radiotherapy protocols and called for a whole-of-government approach to address the country's 44,000 annual cancer cases.
As a government, we recognize that cancer is a borderless crisis that requires borderless cooperation. That is why we have reaffirmed our role in international cancer diplomacy by participating in global cancer summits and World Health Assemblies. Today, we stand united, not just in sorrow, but in our resolve to turn the tide against cancer. We are not powerless. We are powerful when we join hands.
He stressed the need for collaboration across ministries and active community involvement. Health Cabinet Secretary Aden Duale also highlighted ongoing efforts to decentralize cancer treatment through regional oncology centers as part of Universal Health Coverage Plan.
We are expanding our community-based screening for breast, cervical, prostate, among other cancers, through community health promoters and mobile outreach teams. Early detection saves lives. We are also strengthening our referral system to ensure timely follow-up and care. No Kenyan should suffer or die because of delayed treatment.
The summit also recognized individuals and institutions making significant contribution to cancer research and care. And finally, Education Cabinet Secretary Julius Ogamba has dismissed claims of planned cuts to school capitation funds, urging the public to remain calm. He assured Kenyans that capitation funding remains intact and called on members of parliament to focus on offering constructive solutions instead of spreading misinformation that could alarm parents and learners.
We said the government policy is that primary education, secondary education is free under the constitution, and that's what we are going to do. We look for the money to ensure that no parent is required to pay any money towards that free primary, free secondary education. That is the position, it's not changed.
At the same event, Kajiado South Member of Parliament Parashina Samuel criticized fellow legislators for politicizing the capitation issue. He accused some members of parliament of using false claims to gain political mileage, warning that such tactics could undermine public trust in the education sector. That's it from the Eastleigh Voice News Desk.